Something is changing above the battlefield. The next generation of American aircraft may not need a cockpit, a pilot, or even constant human control.
The skies are no longer ruled by pilots in cockpits, but by silicon and algorithms and autonomous swarms.
America is building a new class of aircraft designed to fight beside human pilots. The Collaborative Combat Aircraft, or CCA.
From 500 kilometers per hour jet-powered hunters to micro swarms operating without GPS, American innovation is redefining control.
One of the most closely watched designs is Anduril's YFQ-44A Fury. General Atomics is developing another contender, the YFQ-42A, built around the same radical idea: autonomous aircraft working with human pilots.
The most striking difference is obvious. There is no pilot sitting inside.
Instead, autonomy software allows these aircraft to interpret information, navigate, and cooperate with other platforms. This is an inside look at the technologies transforming the modern battlefield and commercial skies. The goal isn't simply to replace pilots. It is to give them more options in the air.
Reaching speeds over 500 kilometers per hour, these tactical drones operate across hundreds of kilometers.
They don't need runways. They launch from rugged outposts and land in contested zones without infrastructure. Equipped with onboard artificial intelligence, these platforms run real-time threat detection algorithms. They track mobile missile launchers and mobile air defense batteries in contested airspace. Crucially, they function in complete electronic warfare environments, where satellite signals are severed. The era of waiting for ground control commands is over. The drone makes tactical flight adjustments independently.
Enter the Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft Initiative.
Unmanned stealth jets like the XQ-58 Valkyrie act as loyal wingmen to human pilots.
These platforms carry weapons, absorb enemy fire, and flood hostiles with radar decoys. By shifting risk to expendable robotic systems, military aviation lowers pilot mortality to near zero. Machine learning models allow swarms to communicate instantly via secure mesh networks. If one drone is destroyed, the remaining swarm automatically redistributes targets and roles. This distributed architecture prevents single points of failure on the battlefield.
American defense primes are scaling these high-performance combat jets at a fraction of traditional costs.
As drone threats proliferate, traditional air defense missiles are far too expensive to use on cheap targets. To solve this magazine capacity issue, U.S. innovators are turning to high-power microwave weapons.
Systems like Havoc flood entire cones of airspace with directed high-power energy. Instead of aiming at one drone at a time, microwave emitters instantly scramble the internal circuits of dozens simultaneously.
In July 2026, an Anduril CCA reached a major milestone when it demonstrated an air-to-air missile launch during a test.
But America's drone revolution isn't limited to jet fighters. Anduril has now revealed Thunder, an autonomous tilt rotor designed to operate alongside helicopters. Imagine a helicopter crew receiving support from an unmanned aircraft that can fly ahead, observe the environment, and return without putting another pilot at risk. Then there is the next challenge: scale. Instead of one drone, future forces could operate networks of many autonomous systems. The real innovation may not be the aircraft itself. It may be the invisible network connecting everything together. Because the drone revolution has created another problem. How do you stop thousands of small unmanned aircraft? New systems are increasingly using sensors, computer vision, and autonomous tracking to detect threats faster.
The strategic idea is simple. Instead of relying only on a small number of extremely expensive aircraft, the United States wants larger numbers of capable, replaceable autonomous systems.
Picture the Air Force of the future. One human pilot, surrounded by autonomous aircraft, acting as sensors, scouts, electronic support, and additional combat capability. And these drones are being designed with the next generation of American air power in mind. But the biggest question isn't whether machines can fly autonomously. It's how much decision-making humans are willing to give them. The age of the drone is no longer approaching. It is already here, and America's newest aircraft may transform the battlefield, but by giving every pilot a team of machines.
Which of these technologies do you think will change military aviation the most? Follow for more deep dives into the future of aircraft technology.